everybody, I'm Dave Matthews for Champion Trading. What we're excited to show you today, this is a double motion agitated kettle by Hamilton. We've installed on it an air operated lift system. You will see some with water lift systems. We find the air's a little cleaner, a little easier to use. Takes a second. This is a joystick type operation, so you have to hold it in the position for it to move at all times. Anytime if you stop during the process, it stops moving, it'll come back down. We have it to bleed a little air out right now. The unit will the agitator will fully evacuate the vessel when in the up position. This is a 6-inch by 30-inch stroke air cylinder we've installed on it. You'll see the agitator is, of course, your typical double motion style with a scraper agitator and a counter rotating agitator passing within inside of it. On the upper part of the drive, we've installed a brand new Euro drive. We've rebuilt the factory gearbox with all new gears, the main bevel gears, pinion gears, seals, bearings, and bushings. There's also an adjustment collar in there to take up wear, which is kind of a unique feature that Hamilton has. On the cylinder, you'll see we've installed two ball valves. These are one of your safety devices, so you can close both ball valves when you're cleaning or need to have it in the up position, and it'll stay there all day. You can hit the down all you want, it won't go because air is restricted from entering the cylinder. Also on the lines here, you'll see these little T's. They have a small throttling device which controls the size of the orifice as air passes through it. Also on the control, these two little brass fixtures right here, you'll hear one is actually venting some air, has a adjustment on the bottom of each one that controls how fast the air goes into the unit. Now when you're ready to go down, open each valve again, and you can just lower it down. I cannot stress enough, the scraper agitator must be at 90 degrees to the bridge, or the agitator will strike the opposing wall as it raises up. Of course, all safety equipment is part of the installation. This has no facilities to stop the agitator from running in the up position. Any type of switchgear or a mechanical stop to hold the agitator in the up position could be added as well. The designs are just about endless. We're also feeding 100 psi air through the regulator to run the system. The lift cylinder has about a 1,700 pound lift capacity at 100 psi. We're going to show you the agitator. Let me just pull a ladder in here so our cameraman can get a good look. We've installed a WEG Washdown duty controller. We're operating on 460 volts. And right now we have it set to operate about 20 hertz, which should be about 1/3. Go on up, Jim, and take a little look inside. Should be about 1/3 of the speed. You can run it to about a maximum of about 36 RPM. The controller allows forward and reverse, but obviously there's only one direction for the scrapers to scrape the wall properly. It also has a 4-inch center bottom discharge, which has a lead flush seating ball valve on the bottom. There's an internal temperature probe as well. And I'm going to drop this down so you can get a look underneath, Jim. You want to see the valve. This is a brand new lead valve. Let's see if we can get down from here for a moment. And if you come around this side, Jim, there is a flush seating temperature sensor, and we fit it with a standard LB connection so that you can make your connection to your temperature probe. Also, if you're using a recorder, we've left on here, this is the original owner had this on, is a small mounting that could go for a Washdown type recorder. Vessel's all stainless steel, as you can see. And it's ready for service. The jacket on the vessel is a 40 psi jacket. Let me come back around here, Jim. We'll show you a little bit more on the controller. We really like these WEG Washdown controllers. Of course, as you may know, they're Brazilian made. It's a really great product. They've been in the market 25 years or so. Of course, all touch sensitive controls, Washdown. You can change your speed. by just ramping up here. And as you go through the book, there's all different ways. There's braking. You can control how fast it ramps up, ramps down. Also has a stop start here. There's your stop. It'll shut it right down. And should there be any need for it, you can also reverse by going here. And now it's actually running backwards. We have lots of kettles and everything in process and packaging equipment in our stock, so I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.